What's up, y'all? And I'm back with another hair tutorial, and I'm going to be working with an Amazon vendor called Original Queen 100% Human Hair. They sent me this 12-inch 13 by 4 frontal wig, and I'm just going to show you guys how to achieve layers and do a roller set slash roller wrap on it. Not roller wrap, but a regular wrap on this hair, because I wanted to achieve a look that will look super natural, like normal silk press or a normal, you know how natural hair girls normally get their hair pressed out and roller wrap it and all of that. So that's the look I was going for, and I did achieve the look, and I'm so excited, and I'm happy to be working with this company. Miss Jennifer Yang was the lady I worked with. She was super nice, super professional, amazing, great customer service, and it did come with some extra information up in there, which is nice, because a lot of you want information on your hair, on how to treat your hair and stuff like that. And I believe they did send me some wig caps, which is nice. It's always nice when you get a little extra gift with your purchases, because they don't have to send you the wig cap, you're just buying the wig. But the wig was $60, I believe. I will have it linked below, and it's a 12-inch, don't mind me twerking, y'all. It's a 12-inch straight 13 by 4 150 density unit, and it comes pre-plucked. I did not pluck my unit at all, and I love the fact that it comes with the hairnet and the tissue, the white tissue on the inside of the unit, to show you that it's pre-plucked. And yeah, I'm gonna show you how the construction and everything is. It's very nice. It comes with combs as well, and an adjustable band already sold in, so if you want, you can wear this unit glueless. And I'm just going to go in with that Silkins Pro conditioner and shampoo. This is after I already bleached the knots on the frontal and everything, just to give it a super natural look. And I wanted to go ahead and shampoo the wig, because I am going to be doing a wet cut. I'm going to be cutting layers into this hair, so I wanted to give it a good shampoo and condition, and I wanted to actually try out the shampoo and conditioner again together. And that was from my latest Dollar Tree haul. I will have it linked below. And that conditioner and shampoo, y'all, is so good, and you get so much in your bottle. So if you do not want to spend a lot of money on shampoo and conditioner, I advise you to head over to your Dollar Tree. I advise you to. It is so good, and I actually use it on my natural hair as well. So 4C hair versus and silky Brazilian whatever hair, it works great on both. So go to Dollar Tree and get that big old shampoo and conditioner. I will not disappoint. I just included a couple clips of me cutting some layers into this hair. I wanted to keep the whole clips of me doing the layers, but this video would be too long. And this is not just about the haircut, it's about the unit itself. So I did cut some layers into the wig, just so when the hair does fall, you can see the feathers in it. And yeah, a quick little 90-degree cut. Really, all you have to do is hold the hair out straight out at 90 degrees and cut, and just keep following your one guide, and eventually you will have some layers in your hair, wig, whatever. You do not, it's better to do it the right way, the professional way. But at the end of the day, when you're by yourself and you're going and you're doing it on your own, nobody really does it the professional way. And now I'm just going to go ahead and do a basic roller set, and I'm going to be using the Got To Be foam mousse. I got this out the Dollar Tree, and when I saw it, I bought like 4 of them, because stuff like that, when you see it in the dollar store, you need to buy either all of them or more than one, because you may never see it again. So I bought it, and I do love this foam. It was great for the roller set, and I do like to use it for my lace installs as well when I'm doing baby hairs or even laying my lace, because it doesn't make the lace lift. As long as I work fast enough and don't be too rough, it works really well. So fuck paying $12 and $13 for Nairobi. Here you go, right here. That got to be mousse right out the Dollar Tree. So hey YouTube, it's your girl Unique Beauty, and I'm coming back to you guys with another video, and we're going to be going, I know I'm in my bathroom right now, y'all, so that explains why it looks like this. I always have to sneeze. God bless the truth. I always do my hair in the bathroom. I feel like majority of girls do their hair and makeup and everything in the bathroom because it has the best lighting out of all the rooms in the house. And it's easier to clean up. If you haven't noticed, your bathroom is way easier to clean up than just your bedroom and stuff, and it doesn't get as messy. So I always do my hair up in here. So I'm at the gonna be going through on how to do a wig install. I was gonna do a glueless wig install, but I'm gonna spend the night with my dread tomorrow. And he ain't about to be pulling my fucking wig off. So we're gonna do a glued method using the mice shears adhesive that I've been using and been loving. And as you can see, look at my tube. The mic, sponsor your girl, please. So shout out to Mike Shears, y'all. That's a New Orleans stylist, and you know we gotta support our own because New Orleans is a whole crab in a bucket, so mentality type of thing going on. So I support him. He's amazing. He does Big Frida's hair. He did a couple of celebrities down here for Essence Fest, and he's just a real big inspiration to me because if he could do it, I can do it too. And I'm really just starting to get more and more comfortable with doing hair. Like, I was originally just a makeup artist, but now that I'm getting into hair, I found that I love weave, bundles, and wigs out of everything. And I could do a little silk press or a little, you know, 2-strand twist, like certain stuff that I can do that I've always known how to do. Because if y'all didn't know, from children, little girls are trained on how to be caregivers and know how to do hair. That's why they have us playing with baby dolls and doing the baby doll hair. They're training you so when you get older, you know how to do a little something. So all of that stuff we learn as children comes back in full circle, period. So I'm gonna be using the Mike Shears glue, and we're gonna be doing a cap method. After this, I'm never gonna do a cap again because it is pulling out my hair, and you might see my bald spot. I'm gonna show y'all the cap pulling out my. I believe it's the cap that's pulling out my hair because before I used to wear just a regular wig with no cap, and I feel like my edges were fine. But now I can literally see that I have a bald spot. So this is officially the last time I'm doing install with a cap. I'm about to just be capless because all you bitches got caps. Y'all rubs. But I'm just gonna get right in and show y'all 2 different caps that I have. I have this cap right here, which is like close to my skin tone, but it is a little darker than me. And I have this cap right here, which is a little way brighter than me, so I will use this on somebody white or light skin. And this could go, I use caps like I've been using. So I'm gonna go and use the brighter cap because I could customize this one better. You can always go darker, but you can never go lighter. Well, you can if you use some makeup, but I'd rather use the lighter cap and customize it like this. I feel like it looks more natural than using the darker cap. And I'm just going in with that Tresemme humidity resistant spray. Make sure you get the number 4 hold, and it's got that little green strip on it because they have different ones. And my grandma put me onto this, thank Lord for her and the Rockies that be around her house, because I would have never knew about this spray if it wasn't for them. And it holds, that I tell y'all, this stuff holds, it holds. And I'm just gonna go on the sides and cut 2 holes in the ear so I can lay down the sides of my cap even better. So shout out to Glamazon Tape for this technique. And I'm just gonna spray of as many layers of that spray as I need to keep the cap down and blow dry them in between. And now I'm going to be using that Fenty foundation in the color 380 just to give my cap some color and make it look like me. And then I'm going to cut the excess cap off as well and go back in and lay those edges and go back on top of the edges with more makeup, because the hairspray can make everything look a little white, and all you have to do is cover up that whiteness with the makeup. Don't be afraid to peel back some of those edges and cut them off. You are making a custom ball cap to your head and hairline shape, so all of those pieces aren't needed. And I'm just using Sea Breeze to clean off my forehead of any makeup, oils, anything that will prevent my lace from sticking down. And then I'm just gonna take out a few rollers before I get ready to glue my wig down. And as you can see, that roller set came out nice, y'all. It really looks nice. And then I'm just gonna take the front of the lace and split it into a few pieces, because this helps give you better control when layering your wig. And I'm just gonna go in with my mic shears lace adhesive, and I'm gonna do this 4 times across my hairline because I do want my wig to last a little minute. Because after this I'm gonna go back to a closure, so this will be my last frontal for a while. And I'm just gonna make sure I put thin layers but thick layers so my lace doesn't lift as fast. And I like to do one side at a time, and while I'm doing one side will be drying, and make sure everything is just clear. That will give you the best hold. See how it's drying so fast on my head and turning clear? that's the results you want, because you do not want to lay your lace in something that is still wet, because it may not stick as good. And then you want to take your comb and use the teeth of the comb to press the lace into the glue. And once you feel like you have everything laid, just go ahead and cut off that excess lace. And I will try to come on here with a real install on here, y'all. This is the best I could do, considering the fact that I like to be all the way up in the mirror. And once I get everything cut off, all I like to do is go ahead and tie my hairline up and blow dry it some more. And now I'm going in with some of that Got To Be mousse. Like I said earlier, I do like to use this to help lay my lace. And if there's any color deficiencies on your lace, because I did get a little bit of lace glue on top of my lace and it was looking a little white, this foam method of putting it on top of your lace will help make all of that, I guess, disappear, dry up or whatever. Because once I took my scarf off, it wasn't white no more. So that's a good tip if you get something on your lace and you need it to blend and melt more. Put some of that mousse on top of it, tie it down, let it dry, and I bet you your lace will be laid. Did want to mention, I did not pre-pluck this unit. I didn't pluck this unit. It came pre-plucked, and I did not put any makeup on the lace because I wanted it to be like a out the box type of thing. All I did was bleach the knots. That's it. After wearing my roller set out for a night, to maintain your hair, all you have to do is wrap it. And that's what this video is really about, the wrap style, because this is what helps maintain that body and that look you're gonna get after you curl your hair. I use my paddle brush that I got from out the Dollar Tree, and I did use some oil sheen to help take everything down, because the mousse can leave the hair a little crunchy and hard looking. So just spray your hair down with some oil sheen after you take out your roller sets, and your hair should be fine. It adds shine and strength and giving real scalp, y'all. This look like it is growing out my scalp. But thanks again, Original Queen Hair, for this 12-inch 150 density straight 13x4 lace front unit. Remember, you guys, to stay unique and love your individuality, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.